Good morning. So we are in the hotel lobby by the Starbucks. And we're headed off to do the tours that our hotel is doing. So we're going to be doing a few activities actually. We're going to be going on the boat on the water, on the hornblower. We're doing some sort of trolley car over the whirlpools. And then we're doing something else. I forgot what it was. Anyway, I'm gonna be filming what I can, where I can, but I'm not gonna risk dropping my phone in the water. So if you don't get any footage, I'm sorry. I didn't want to risk my phone. Anyway, bye guys. So Sean and I are now on a bus.
He's on the bus.
For a 3-hour tour. Yeah, so we're going on our tour. It's pretty cold outside the bus and inside.
Colder inside.
What's the hold up?
I think we're gonna be picking up people at this other Marriott.
Oh, stragglers. Alrighty, well, we're gonna enjoy this tour, and again, I'm gonna try and show you what I can, but I'm not risking dropping my phone in Niagara Falls. No. Here we are. Now we're by the falls, and holy crap, I gotta switch the camera so you guys can see this. Alrighty, so we are here on the Falls Water River. What do you call this? What is this considered? That water looks, whoops, there's my hand. That water looks nice and kind of cleanish. I guarantee it's not as clean as I think it is, considering the amount of foam and seagulls that are just like, that's kind of gross. That's not a whirlpool. But yeah, so we're all piling in our fancy red raincoat things, so yeah. We are now in Buffalo, New York. This will be my third time in New York, of the state. I was in New York City, that I flew into once, and now I'm in Buffalo, and earlier on we were in Niagara Falls, New York side. Honestly, even though it's right over the Canadian border, things have just, it looks so much different here.